Hello everyone, Uttam Kumar Shah is here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate one of my latest project, which is a food traceability system using blockchain technology. This is basically my research project. I'm conducting a research which is a blockchain-based food traceability system to ensure food security in Bangladesh. Whenever my research will be published, then I will make this project open source and the source code will be available. Well, let me describe this project, how this project is working. So this is the landing page of my web application. This is a food traceability system using blockchain technology. I have used Nexus in the front end and the smart contract is written by Solidity programming language. Fine. So this is the landing page of my web application. There are few roles like farmers, producers, distributors, retailers, and consumer. So let's understand how the system is working. Fine. First of all, a farmer will grow a crop. Then the farmer will sell this crop to a supplier and the supplier will send it to the factory. So inside the factory, the producer will process food using this crop or raw material. Then from the factory, the producer will send it to the the distributor, and the distributor will distribute it to the retailer, and the retailer lastly retail it to the consumer and the local shop. Well, this is the flow of the system and how the system is working, and I will demonstrate each role step by step. Fine. As this is a Web3 application, so first of all we have to connect our wallet to get started with this application. Well, let's connect our wallet. So first of all we have to register an account, or we have to sign up an account to get started with the system. So let's click on sign up, and a sign up page will be open, and type here your full name. Then you have to select your role. There are a few roles as I mentioned before: admin, farmer, producer, distributor, retailer. We can see this role, and every user have to register first. Let's say I'm selecting role as a farmer. Then I have to click sign up. As this is a Web3 application, in every right transaction MetaMask wants confirmation. So let's confirm the transaction. Well, our account is successfully created. An admin have to approve this account to become the authentic user of this application and to be part of this application. So let's connect the admin's wallet. Well, okay, I have connected the admin wallet. So let's see the admin's functionality and admin's dashboard. This is the admin dashboard, and admin can see a few informations like registered user, total number of crops, total number of foods, and total distribution, and so on. Well, so let's see the features of administrator, and what the admin can do. So first of all, admin have to approve the user. That's why inside the pending user, a list of registered user will be shown. And here, a few seconds ago, we have registered a account Uttam Commercial, this account as inside the role farmer. So we first of all we have to approve this user. After getting approved, the user can perform the role as farmer. Otherwise, not. Well, the user is successfully approved. Then admin can see the list of crops added by the farmers. Then all food list produced by the producer, and all distributions list distributed by the distributors, and all retail list retails by retailer, and all users of the system. This is the admin functionality. So let's go to a farmer account. Well, this is the farmer dashboard, and a farmer can add a crop, and a farmer can see the list of crops they have added. Let's add a crop. To add a crop, the farmer have to fill out this form with crop name, sold to, location, farming started, farming ended, price per kg, and total quantity. So let's fill out the form. This crop is successfully added. This is the basically the farmer's functionality. Now let's log into a producer account. This is the producer dashboard. Here producer can add a fruit or produce a food, then my food list. This is the list of the producer produced food item. Then producer can see the list of crops sold by the farmers to this particular producer. Then the producer can see list of all distribution. Then lastly, the producer can see the list of retailers to his food. Fine. So this was the functionalities of a producer. Now let's produce a food. To produce a food, we have to fill out this form. Let's fill it out. This form contain food name, distributor. Here the producer have to select the distributor, then select crops. To select crops, here the producer have to select these crops to make this food. Then production location, start date, end date, price per pieces, quantity, and this food expiry date. We have successfully produced a food, this one. So this is the functionality of a producer. Now let's log in as a distributor. So this is the dashboard of a distributor. Here a distributor can add distribution. That means he can distribute a food, and the distributor can distribute this list of food, and this distributor has access to this particular food, and my distribution list shows the distribution distributed by this particular distributor. Well, so let's distribute a food. To distribute a food, we have to fill the form. Let's fill this form. First select a food to distribute, then select the retailer to whom we want to distribute. Then we have to select the food receipt date and food send date, then price and quantity. So this food is distributed successfully. So this is the functionalities of a distributor. Now let's log in inside a retailer. This is the retailer dashboard. Here retailer can see distribution list. The retailer can distribute only this food the retailer have access, and add a retail and see my retail list. Let's add a retail. So first of all, we have to select a food. We want to retail this food, cake. Then we have to select the distribution ID, location, food receipt date, sale date, price, and quantity. Fine, our retail is successfully completed. After retail a food, a QR code will be generated, and this QR code can be stick on the product, and a consumer can scan this QR code to get the food information. Alternatively, we can see a food URL. If we scan this QR code, this URL will be found. If we go to this URL, we can have a detailed information from the farming stage to the retail stage, step by step. And whatever have done with this food, we have the details information, like food producer information, which producer produced this food, and which crops used to make this food, then which distributor distributed this food, and lastly the retail information when the food item was retailed. So this is how we can see a detailed information about this food. Additionally, we can search a food by this food ID. If we have this food ID, then we can search this food information. uh, if we go to taste food options, then simply we can paste it and search this food information. That's it. So thank you everyone for watching this video.